Life is good.
We can't put them down right away.
I know. I'm cool with that.
We gotta get the fish.
We got the fish situated. I gotta make some adjustments too. They're gonna have to bitch a little bit. That's okay.
Yeah. What do you have adjustments to make?
I need to grab all of their old clothes that they have in their bedroom so I can organize it in front of them while they're sleeping and get it in the back black bins in the back.
Okay. Or a donation. And
Or to donate. Yeah, I do that whole process as I.
as you go.
Yeah. Which one? Which socks? Oh, your spider socks.
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear socks. Buzz Lightyear. Thank you. Yeah, you want to do a Buzz Lightyear socks? Okay. I don't know. We'll have to see. They look like stripes, don't they? Oh, there's another one for sale.
Whose?
Should take a look. I saw a really, really crappy, like 1930s box house. It was in Westchester.
What are
1,400 square feet. 3 bedroom or 4 bedroom, 3 bath. No, like
1,400 square feet?
1,400 square feet.
I think it's awesome.
And no, no manicured lawn, nothing. Like at La Tijera. So it was basically they're just
Right
trying
on
to.
Inglewood Border, yeah.
Yes, exactly. What a time to build a football stadium.
I do like their cute little top bunk patios there.
Yes.
I bet
So-
you can see the actual ocean in there.
Yes. I bet that's why they cost so much. I think we can turn on a little TV for about 30 minutes while we get the fish situated in the tank, okay? And then there's a lot of displaced water that's about to happen. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it. And then we're gonna take a little nap. So then you can go to the back house with Athena, and you can wear your socks right now, though. Or when we get home, you can put your socks right on.
Time in the tank?
Yeah.
No, it'll be fine. We've already had a decent amount of evaporation.
Underwear? What underwear? His sock underwear? Yes, we'll do that, sweetie. Yeah? Do you want to use Daddy's knife? Oh. Yes.
I will use my knife. On your socks, yeah, to take off the tags. Absolutely. Sold. How much that one sell for?
I will look it up.
Yeah, nice nice front lawn makes a huge difference.
Does.
Huge difference.
He was white here. He was white here.